Typically, menstrual blood is odorless, or at times it comes with a slightly metallic odor. However, changes in the menstrual cycle, hygiene practice, and other factors might influence the odor of your menstruation. So in this video, I'll be telling you 10 causes of period smell. And if you are up for all that goodness, please watch this video till the end. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Pep. I'm a registered nurse BNSC, and on this channel we'll talk about nursing, lifestyle vlogs, feminine health, and everything in between. And if you're just setting your eyes on this beautiful face, please do not make the like button and subscribe button down below. And with that being said, let's get right into this video. Number one is normal menstrual blood odor. Menstrual blood is normally slightly metallic in odor, and this is as a result of blood and tissue in the menstrual flow. Number two is infections. Sexually transmitted infections or even vaginal yeast infection can cause changes in vaginal odor, which may become very noticeable during your period, causing a bit of a strange smell when you menstruate. Number three is bacterial vaginosis, which is also known as BV. BV is an imbalance in the vaginal bacteria, causing a bit of a fishy smell down there. And this may become very noticeable during menstruation. Number four is hormonal changes. Hormonal fluctuation during menstrual cycle can influence the composition of vaginal secretion, and this may affect your odor, causing smell during period. Number five is sweat and menstrual blood. It is agreed that menstrual blood is slightly metallic in odor, but when it is mixed with sweat in the genital area, this can contribute to a more pronounced odor during period. So it is advised to have a shower in between when you change your menstrual products to avoid period smell. Number six, use of tampons and pads. The materials in some tampons and pads can interact with menstrual blood and contribute to a specific odor in the vagina. So it is essential to change tampons and pads regularly to minimize this odor. Number seven is hygiene practice. Infrequent change of menstrual products and even inadequate genital hygiene can contribute to odor. So it is advised that you have your bath regularly and also change your menstrual products after use. Number eight is diet and lifestyle. Certain food and lifestyle can influence your body odor, including odors associated with menstrual blood. These include diet, hydration, and some personal habits. So if you are one to not like drinking water, it is advised that you drink water regularly so you stay hydrated, and also cut down on sugary foods. This can cause you odors in your vagina and influence your menstrual odor as well. Number eight is retained menstrual products. Forgetting to remove tampons after use can lead to retention of menstrual products inside of you, and this can cause unpleasant odors and even infections. Number 10 is menstrual cup odor. When you use unclean menstrual cups, this can cause you odor due to accumulation of dirt and also bacteria. This practice itself can be very dangerous because it can cause you infections. So to avoid any issue at all, it is best to use clean menstrual cups during your menstrual period, and after your period, ensure to sterilize them before you keep them for reuse. It is worthy to note that a mild, musky, or metallic odor is considered normal during your period, but when it is associated with itching, burning, or unusual discharge, it may be an indication of an infection. So it is best you see your healthcare provider and explain every symptom you are experiencing so they can tackle it immediately. Additionally, maintaining a good menstrual hygiene practice like changing your pads, tampons, or menstrual cups at intervals, having clean, good showers regularly, wearing breathable underwear, and indulging in probiotics can help reduce and minimize menstrual odor. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you have found this video really helpful, don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe if you haven't, drop a comment down below, and with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.